Hi everybody, today's episode is going to be a little bit different. Today we're going to be following my daughter to see what she typically eats in a day. Welcome to my channel, Healthy Bub Grub. On my channel, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare healthy, nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. If you like today's video, make sure you hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up to date with what I'm posting on a weekly basis and help show your support. Okay, let's go and have a look at what Poppy's first meal of the day is going to be. So it's 6:30 and my little girl has just woken up. We're going to go in and get her up to start the day. Let's go. Good morning, Poppy. Good morning. Okay, so I'm going to get her up and do a nappy change and then she'll start her day with a breastfeed, so I'll see you at breakfast. Okay, so we've been up for a little while now. It's about 7:30. We're about to sit down for breakfast. I cooked some pancakes yesterday and I have them in the fridge, so I'm just going to grab those out and heat them up for my little girl and then we'll all sit down to breakfast. There they are. Pancakes are heated up. As you can hear, my little one is ready to eat them. I've just warmed them up in the microwave. Don't forget to check out my video on how to make healthy oat banana pancakes. That one is also available for you to have a look at. And we're just coming over now. Here she is. Here's your pancakes. These pancakes are super versatile. They do make a great breakfast, but they also are a great snack. Sometimes we have them as a family breakfast and I'll serve them with natural yogurt and some cut up blueberries and raspberries. Gone. You ate it. So it's snack time now. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning. I give Poppy a little snack before she goes down for her nap. So I'm just going to prepare some berries and yogurt. Coming. Okay, so I've got the yogurt and berries all ready to go for morning snack. And I'll just sit it down and I'm going to feed that to my little girl now. With this yogurt, I just chop up the fruit and stir it through for Poppy. But if you've got a younger baby, you could always puree it to make a nice smooth yogurt. And towards the end, I give Poppy the spoon and let her try and feed herself, just because she is learning how to use the spoon and it's a good opportunity for her to have a go. So it's just about 9:30, it's nap time now, so I'm going to go put her down for a nap and then we'll wake up and it'll be time for lunch. Okay, so it's about 11:30. Poppy's been asleep for around 2 hours now, so I'm just going to go in and wake her up. I've just got Poppy up. I'm going to take her down, get her dressed, and then it'll be time for lunch. I've grabbed out of the freezer some salmon and veggies that I've already cooked previously. I'm going to do a video on that, so keep your eye out for the episode that will be coming up for that one. And I'm just going to defrost it in the microwave and then warm it through. Lunch is ready. I've warmed it up in the microwave after getting it out of the freezer. I've just got a mix of salmon and veggies. Like I mentioned, I'm going to show you another video on how you can make that one. This meal is a really good one. It's got lots of veggies and the salmon in it, which makes it nice and healthy. It's nice to have either hot or cold, and I find that it's a good one to put in a container to take if you're going to be out for lunch, and you can still give them something healthy while you're out. Lunch is over. As you can see, it's a winner. She only left a tiny little bit, and there was quite a bit in that bowl, so she's done well. So it's just after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just about to do another breastfeed, and then the next one will be the last one before bed. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and just about to put her down for her afternoon nap. We'll see you for a snack when she gets up. It's just around 4:30 in the afternoon, and I'm about to get Poppy up from her afternoon nap, and then we'll go back and get her ready for her afternoon snack. Hi, sweetheart. Did you hear beep beep? It's time to hop up. You don't want to hop up. You're having a good sleep. We'll go down and have a snack?
Mama.
Yeah. We'll go down and have a snack? So it's time for afternoon snack now. I am going to give my little one a homemade rusk. You can check out my other video on how to make healthy homemade rusks if you would like to learn how to make those. She loves these as a snack. I've got it straight from the freezer. She's teething at the moment. It has got molars coming through, so she really enjoys being able to chew on these when they're out of the freezer, because they do help relieve the pain a little bit for her. These rusks are a really great afternoon snack. They are long lasting, and I often will give her one of these if I am needing to keep her occupied while I'm trying to prepare dinner. So keep that in mind. They do come in handy for that. These rusks have been great for Poppy, and they are good for younger babies because they're nice and hard, and they really help with developing the muscles in the jaw, and they also help with hand and mouth coordination. She's been going at this rusk for 20 minutes to a half an hour now, so I'm going to wrap it up and put it in the fridge. She can finish that off tomorrow. I'm going to get her out of the chair now, and she can have a little bit of playtime before we start getting ready for dinner. So it's 6:30, we're just sitting down to dinner now. I've made a spaghetti bolognese for our dinner tonight. It's my version of spag bol. My little one and the family really love it. It's got heaps of veggies in it, and I don't think she even knows they're in there. Not that that's an issue, she loves them anyway. If you want to check out how to make my version of spag bol, be sure to check out my most recent video. In our household, we eat as many meals as we can together as a family. We think it's really important that Poppy is a part of that to help develop her social skills, and it's nice for us to all be able to sit down and be involved as a family in the mealtime. Did you enjoy dinner? Was it yum?
Yum, yum.
Yummy, yummy, yum. Is it all gone?
Go.
It's gone. So bath time is over. I'm just going to take her off to bed now. She'll have a breastfeed, then we'll do a story, and then it's lights out. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and enjoyed the different style that we've gone with today. Please let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more videos like the one that we've done today. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.
Papa.
You bop bop. Yeah.